How to use AutoDS with Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been dropshipping on Marketplace or Facebook Marketplace before or thinking about getting started, you're going to love this video. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly on how to get started or how to use AutoDS with Facebook Marketplace. We'll cover how to go ahead and connect your Facebook account, how to automate product uploads, manage orders, and streamline your entire workflow so you can make more and stress less. Before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is the basics. What is Facebook Marketplace dropshipping? So if you're new to this, here's a quick rundown. Facebook Marketplace is a local buying and selling platform, but in recent years, it's become a huge opportunity for dropshippers. Now, why? Number one, you have free organic traffic. You have no upload ad cost or upfront ad cost. It has an easier entry compared to Shopify, and it's integrated with Facebook's massive user base. So pair that with AutoDS and you've got a powerful automation system to help you manage listing, inventory orders, and tracking without having to go ahead and manually do everything. Now, can you connect to Facebook Marketplace through AutoDS? The answer is yes. As of this year, AutoDS supports Marketplace or Facebook Marketplace, but there's an important distinction. You need to be enrolled in the Facebook's shipping-enabled marketplace. This feature is only available in selected regions like the US, and you need a Facebook shop or shipping-enabled personal account. So if you meet that requirement, let's move on. To go ahead and check some eligible regions, you can just go ahead and search for the feature for this specific thing where it's region locked. From there, how can we go ahead and set up Facebook Marketplace with AutoDS? Basically, first things first, you just want to simply create a Facebook shop. You can do this from the business.facebook.com. Now, you can simply go ahead and see that right here. You just want to simply log out your account, and right after that, you will be able to go ahead and simply sign in or create a brand new page. After clicking on the brand new page, you will then be taken to this setup right here. You want to set up an e-commerce account and create your Facebook shop. And then you want to enable Marketplace in the checkout settings and ensure that the shipping is enabled. Unfortunately, the feature that we are talking about isn't available on my country also, but let's go ahead and move further. Now, to go ahead and connect your store to AutoDS, all you have to do is to navigate through your AutoDS dashboard. From there, you then want to click on Add Store, click on Choose Facebook Marketplace, and then you can just go ahead and follow the prompts to authorize your Facebook account. You want to make sure that your Facebook Business Manager is linked properly. Basically, once it's authorized, your Marketplace store will show up on the AutoDS dashboard. Now, how can we start listing products to the Facebook Marketplace? Now that you're connected, let's add some product to your Facebook store. You want to use AutoDS Product Finder. So you can just head over to AutoDS dashboard, go to products, and then you want to click on the add product options. Now you have a few options to go ahead and import your product or list your product. You have the one-click import from suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress. You can simply go ahead and get this from the Chrome web extension. Now this is called the AutoDS Dropshipping Helper, where you can just go ahead and navigate through a specific item. Let's go ahead and say that I want to buy this specific item from eBay. Now eBay is one of the listed suppliers out there. And basically inside this page, you then want to open up the Chrome extension that I've mentioned earlier. And from there, you will be able to import the product with a single click. Now another option is going to be the bulk upload via CSV. And lastly, we have the AutoDS Marketplace suggestions for trending items. Once you have listed your product, you want to choose your Facebook store. You then want to adjust your pricing rules, customize the title, descriptions, and images, and from there, you then want to click on import. AutoDS will now publish the product directly to your Facebook marketplace. And from there, you will be able to simply start selling. Now, let's enable the automating fulfillment and tracking. Now, to enable auto orders, you just want to go through your orders tab, click on settings, and turn on auto order. AutoDS will automatically order the item from your supplier once a buyer makes a purchase on Facebook, making this easier for everyone. Now, you'll need to go ahead and add a payment method, credit card, or AutoDS. So, when your customer checks out something, the item will then automatically be charged on your payment method. Right after that, you just want to simply choose your preferred supplier like Amazon, AliExpress, Temu, eBay, and more. Right after that, you then want to enable tracking update. You also want to turn on automatic tracking number updates. AutoDS will upload tracking details on your Facebook order once the item ships. This improves your metrics and help you qualify for the Facebook's preferred seller perks. Now, what are the best practices for Facebook Marketplace? Number one is you want to start with lower tier or lower ticket item to build up positive reviews. You want to avoid Vero items or branded products that may violate Meta's rules. You want to use AutoDS price and stock monitoring so your listings are always up to date. You want to respond quickly to your buyer message. Facebook tracks your responsiveness. And lastly, you want to keep margins between 20 to 40% depending on your supplier shipping time. And don't forget to track your performance inside the AutoDS Analytics tab. It will help you identify winning products. So, let's also talk about some common troubleshooting issues. Now, if the product is not posting, you want to make sure that your Facebook account is shipping enabled. You want to confirm that your business manager is verified. And lastly, you want to check if the product violates the Facebook's commerce policies. Now, if the auto order fails, you want to check if your supplier is out of stock. You want to make sure that your payment method is funded, and you want to reconnect your Facebook store if needed. Now, if the tracking is not updating, you want to confirm that your supplier has shipped the order. You want to make sure that the tracking sync is enabled. And if all else failed, you want to enter the tracking mode or tracking number manually. And so that's how you go ahead and use AutoDS with Facebook Marketplace. With this integration, you can simply list products in bulk, automate price and stock changes, fulfill order hands-free, and keep your customers happy all in one platform. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.